Okay, what's up guys? This is going to be a just quick video rundown that shows how to do a restriction enzyme digest. And so this should only take about 5 minutes, so let's just begin. Here I just made up a random example with the information that we'll need. This stuff will be given to you and we'll probably then have to know where it goes. So basically, let's say you have the plasmid S and it's suspect. I just called it something because I didn't care what suspect it was. And let's just make the numbers easy. Let's just say it's 10,000 units. Then we have the two enzymes. In this case, it was EcoRI and PSTI. And then of course, when both of them are cut, here's the fragment lengths. It could be 4,000, 6,000, 1,500, 8,500, 500, 1,000, 350, and 5,000. So then with that information, you're expected to be able to label where these will have cut on the plasmid. So let's begin on how you would cut it. So you probably want to first start with EcoRI. You want to put it at the top or at the bottom or somewhere that's easy to start from. And then you just say, this is 4,000 units. And then the other one is 6,000 units. Sorry if this is like really bad. I'm trying to draw with a mouse. Okay, so you have the 4,000, 6,000. So then the more complicated part will be adding an extra enzyme that digests it as well, which in this case was PSTI. Note that it has to be, one of them has to be 150 and the other one has to be 850. So you can use the information of the both to then be able to determine where it is. So if you know one of them is 500 and the other one is 1,000, oh, sorry. Okay, so you can see this one is 500 and this is 3,500. What that tells you is when these add together, they add up to this one, correct? So since these add up to this one, you know that it's going to cut somewhere in the 4,000 range. And in this case, it's going to cut on a 500. So if you cut right here, it's going to have 500 and 350 or 3,500. Because these add up to this number. These two numbers add up to this number. And yeah, okay. So these two numbers add up to that. Okay, I just confused myself. So those two numbers add up to each other. And then, since those two add up to each other, you should then be able to tell that the other cut will have to be somewhere outside of here, so you can just put it randomly here. And the length of this one will have to be 1,500, because remember that one of them had to be 1,500, and you have a 1,000 one, so when you add these two numbers together, you get 1,500. So then you put this here. So now you have the 1,500 of this one with these two numbers. You have the 40,000 from these two numbers. And then, obviously, all that's remaining is you just need to know that 6,000 minus 1,000 is 5,000. Or, as you can see, the 5,000's right there. Okay. So that was basically a brief tutorial on how you would break them down. So this is P, and this one would be P. And to check your work, you can just add these numbers together and check that they all check out. So 1,000 plus 500 adds up to that one. 3,000 plus 500 plus 3,500 adds up to 4,000. This one, this is, oh my god, why am I so dumb? Okay then. Okay, this is this length, and then it adds. So that should be. Yeah, okay, dumb. Okay, this number, 5,000 plus 3,500 adds up to this number. And then this number plus that number equals 6,000. So as you can see, all the numbers add up correctly to these four numbers, which means you've cut it properly. And yeah, that is the video for how to do an enzyme restriction. I'll probably leave it inside the classroom notes for if anyone actually cares to actually see how to do this. And yeah, okay, bye.